Today, we're going to build a fighter jet using 8 Lego pieces.
These are all the pieces you are going to need. In the description of this video, I left the piece names, count, and design IDs.
We're going to start with a 1x2 plate and a 1x1 plate with tooth. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to put that 1x1 plate with tooth on the front stud of my 1x2 plate like this, so it hangs over the front. And on the back stud, I'm going to get another 1x2 plate and just put it on that back stud so it hangs over, and you've got that space underneath the 1x2 plate. Now in that space, I'm going to grab a 1x3 plate, and that center stud of my 1x3 plate is going to go in that little gap there on the 1x2 plate to smooth out the bottom and give me a place to attach my wings. And for the wings of my fighter jet, I'm going to use 2 of these triangular tile pieces. And what I want to do with that tile piece is I want the straight ends to go along the side or the fuselage here of my plane and the back. So the straight ends are on the side and back, and that diagonal is out on the end of the fighter jet. And so I do the same thing where I get my ends facing the right direction, and then when I put them on, I want to make sure you put that stud in the corner of the tile piece like this, and we've got the body of our airplane. But now we need the back tail fin, and to create the back tail fin, I'm going to grab this cheese wedge slope and put it on the back stud so the thin end is in the front and it slopes up to the back to create the back fin of our fighter jet. And now we just need a place for our pilot, and so to create the cabin or cockpit for our pilot, I'm going to get a 1x1 translucent black tile and just put it on that front stud, which belongs to the 1x1 plate with tooth. And here is a completed fighter jet to defend our skies from enemy invasion.
If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe or check out some of our other videos. Until next time, let's keep building together.